Hi everyone, welcome to Future Real. I'm Royce from Daddy OSSC. Today is day 3 of the Study Cairns trip and we're visiting Fitzroy Island. Fitzroy Island is a must-see destination during your time in Cairns. It's a national park that offers a tropical paradise of rainforest and beaches nestled within the calm, sheltered waters of the Great Barrier Reef. There are plenty of activities to enjoy, such as snorkeling, scuba diving, glass-bottom boat tours, kayaking, and paddleboarding. Visitors can also explore walking and hiking tracks. In addition to being a relaxing resort, the island is home to the Cairns Turtle Rehabilitation Centre, dedicated to caring for sick and injured turtles. We visited Hartley's Crocodile Adventures, one of Cairns' oldest attractions. Established in 1934 as a tea house stop for travellers between Cairns and Mosman, Hartley's has achieved many milestones over the years. It was the first place in Australia to breed crocodiles in captivity and has been instrumental in crocodile conservation, attracting global interest and leading to the protection of these animals in 1974. Hartley's offers visitors the chance to see and learn about various animals through activities like the boat cruise in Hartley's lagoon, crocodile feeding, koala feeding on the Wildlife Discovery Trail, and more in the Gunwala Gateway. Today is day 4 of the Study Cairns trip. Our first stop is Cairns High School, established in 1917, now home to over 1,700 students. Located in the heart of Cairns, the school is renowned for its academic excellence and achievements in performing arts, music, sports, and visual arts. The school offers special programs in aerospace systems, aquatic practices, photography, and tourism studies, along with a range of VET qualifications. Students have access to various facilities, including a multi-purpose sports complex, science labs, and specialized art rooms. Next, we visit St. Augustine's College, which has specialized in boys' education since 1930. This day and boarding school offers education from prep to year 12, with boarding available for students from year 7 to year 12. On-campus facilities for boarders include a common area, laundry service, and dining area. The school provides a wide range of academic subjects, including English, mathematics, the arts, business studies, health and physical education, industrial technology and design, information technology, studies of society and environment, and science. TAFE Queensland Cairns campus can be found on the western suburb of Maroondah, which is approximately a 10-minute drive away from the city centre. The campus offers quite a range of study areas for students, and these include beauty and hairdressing, nursing, tourism and hospitality, and more. Classrooms are set up very much like a simulated environment for students to learn and practice their skills to prepare them to be job ready once they graduate from their courses. Lastly, we visit Trinity Bay High School, which provides secondary education for boys and girls from years 7 to 12. With a student population of around 1,900, It is a large school serving students from across the city, primarily from 8 local schools. The school's facilities are organized into blocks, each designed for specific subjects. The A block is dedicated to science and language subjects, featuring laboratories and culturally diverse classrooms. It also houses the Talented Athlete Academy and the Rugby School of Excellence. That's the end of today's video. If you have any questions about studying abroad, please reach out to Daddy Education. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.